Yeah, just in case something cool happens, we better have this camera rolling. I don't know where an extinguisher. I see an extinguisher. We're good. Just to make sure, you know.
Yeah.
Oh fuck! Well, it wants to go right now, doesn't it? That's needs a little more timing, I think. Try it again. Yeah, hang on. It's out of time. Oh shit, not that much. Try that. Hang on. Alright. Damn, needs more still. Hang on. Try to give it just a little bit of gas so it revs up. No oil.
Do what?
Stir it up again. I don't think we're getting any fucking oil up top. Oh yeah, we are. It's pumping up. Let it run a minute. Yeah, we got oil. It's not like a lot, but it is oiling, so. Every damn, well, almost every one. That one's still dry. Some of them are dry, some of them are oiling like crazy. Like this front one here, oiling like a son of a bitch. This one here, a little bit. Like these ones over here, nothing. The ones in the back, the ones in the front, a lot. But there's a couple of them like.
Well, it just makes me feel better that it's some of them's getting.
Some of them's getting oil. So yeah, I'd say after it runs a little while, it might.
Yeah, it'll probably pump up. That's the smoothest it's ever ran, I think, in its life since I had it.
And all the valves are still moving.
Good.
Like yeah, I'd say let's finish it out. I'd think it's ready. And it's way freaking out of time too. Yeah. And it runs that good still. So I mean, I'd say that it's happier running on 8 instead of 6.
Yeah, I'd say. It's way.
You did pick up the bent pushrod out of the valley, didn't you?
Yeah, it's laying over there, I think. Should be.
Okay. Hold that in front of the camera. Yeah. Because Ford. See? Ooh, that's awful warm. Should have beefed up that cable too. That cable's not warm. Water pump, pulleys, and radiators, all that fun shit. Alright. Ready? Yeah, why not? Maybe pump it. Shit, hang on. That's a cool little puff of smoke the battery made though. Damn it. Try it again. No, a little bit. That's right.
Did I knock that coil wire off?
I don't know. Think hooking that ground up maybe shut it off. Coil wire's on. Check in the back here. And wiggle it in case it wasn't grounded or something. Try it again. Fuck that battery. Damn it. What the hell, it was just running. Did we unplug something? Huh. Hang on. Move the distributor a little bit. Try it again. Hang on. Let's let me go grab a plug or something to put in that coil wire, see if it's actually giving a spark. I don't act like it's firing enough. Turn it over. No fire. Okay, so what the hell did we do? It was just running.
I hooked that ground up.
We hook that ground up. Want to try to unhook that ground and see if it runs?
Plus, I remember that wire that came across it hooked into over here.
Yeah.
I said it went into nothing.
Yeah.
On the inside. Where did it go up here?
Where is that wire?
I don't know.
Oh, here it is.
Yeah.
What's it go to?
I don't know. It's coming out of the firewall.
Really? Huh. Think it gets grounded or hot?
Good question.
And if it is hot, does that mean it won't shut off unless we unhook it? Looks like it goes to oil pressure sensor and the coil. Yeah, spliced into the wire, it goes to the coil, I think. So wherever it came out of the firewall at, it must have hooked up the power to the coil, maybe? I don't know. That don't make any sense what would run a minute ago and not now.
Well, it had that wire, but when I pulled it out, it was on the ground, but I wasn't hooking nothing at the time. That's why it came on out.
Where was it going in? Through there? Or?
Down over here.
How the hell is it just running and now it ain't? Maybe this was a wire that used to go to an old tack. It wasn't touching anything while we was turning it over, was it? So that would ground it out and make it not fire.
That ground wire grounded the motor out.
It sparked when you touched it to the motor, you said. Well, we can always unhook that ground wire and see if it runs. Maybe that's not a ground. Or maybe there's a wire melted to another wire. I don't know. I guess we can try that. I don't see why hooking the ground up would make it not want to run, but fucking Fords. He was just running with like half of the engine off, but now it's put together, it's complaining. Coil's grounded good, ain't it? Like in that bracket?
It's not real. It's just kind of hanging out in there.
before we finish unhooking that.
But I've had it run before, not even with it laying on the motor, so yeah. That's how it works before. Just laying on the motor. Wearing the screw in it.
Just for shits and giggles, let's try it again. Just by moving that around. Before we take that ground off to see. It'd be cool if it was just the coil needed grounded.
Ready?
Yeah.
Already coil wiring on.
Coil wire. No, it's on the spark plug.
Oh yeah, that's right. Nothing?
No.
Huh.
I'll finish taking that ground off first. See if that's it. Here, now try it. Nothing. Well, what the hell? It was just freaking sparking and shit and trying to fire. Or it was just running. Like, I don't get what's changed. That wire did travel a long distance to hook up to something, I bet. Unless that fucking spark plug ain't no good. Let me go put this in a lawnmower and turn it over and see if it sparks. That could be a possibility. Good. If it was sparking, we'd be able to see it. It goes all the way, it looks like. Goes like over in here and over to there. Hooks up to the wiring harness. And then there's another one over here just like it. Look. I don't know where this comes from. You think maybe that hooked to this? Because they're both blue.
No, it came out down here. Like this. Hole right here. Out of that.
Anything on the inside?
Oh, wait a minute. The body ground's not hooked up. Nope. That would cause it.
Yeah, that would. Well,
Wouldn't it? Or no?
it's turning over though, which means the engine's grounded.
Yeah, but
The body being grounded might not be turned on the ECU, yeah.
I remember we've had that trouble. I've
Yeah,
had that
let's-
trouble on Ford before.
Yeah. Let's try that, because that very well may be it. That would make it not get fired to the fucking ignition module that Ford thinks they need. Technology. Yeah, there is a ground up there, right? grounded?
Yep.
Alright.
Yeah, that was a problem.
I'm hoping. Watching the spark plug to see if it does anything. Nope.
Huh?
No spark.
Shit.
What the fuck? Was it take 4?
Ready?
Yeah, why not? Hang on, it's that time. Now try it. Hang on a minute. Alright. It's either that or timing. Hey, shut it off. I'm seeing sparks.
Really?
Yeah, by the harmonic balancer.
Is it that bracket?
Yeah. Oh yeah, the bracket's nice and warm. It's definitely revving a little. Yeah, that bracket's like really hot. So I'd say that's hitting. So yeah, we'll have to adjust that probably. But other than that, time it and adjust the carburetor back to where it actually wants to. It's probably running like way rich because it was only running on 6 cylinders, so it's having to compensate a lot.
I hope it stays together this time.
Yeah, me too. I really hope it stays together.
I think it all came from that one piston being loose. It would almost have to be.
Bad things happened.
Huh?
Bad things happened, that's for sure. That was not a happy engine.
No.
At all. Runs way better now. We'll put it in time and tune the car. We want to do it tomorrow probably.
Yeah.
We don't piss off all the neighbors. Holding it at fucking $4,000 trying to total time it. Whoa! 1 o'clock in the morning. Damn shame we couldn't have revved it up just once though.
Yeah, it should probably rev up better than it
Yeah, I
used
bet
to.
you it really does. That'll be worth waiting for tomorrow, I reckon.
And that